Hi guys, welcome to another video. As you can hear, my voice is still no better. Sorry guys, it's so squeaky. So we've got December's Madam Glam gel polish collection here. So the name for this collection is Snowy Layover. And you wait until you see these Bobby Dazzlers. They are beautiful. So these are the four that I've chosen for us to take a look at. We've got a purple, a turquoisey greeny blue, a red and a black. But look at that hollow. They're so sparkly. So the red one is called Rudolph. The black one is called Oh What Fun. The purple one is called Love at Frost Sight. And the turquoisey green one is called Say Freeze. Say Freeze. So like all Madam Glam gels, these are vegan, cruelty free, 21 free formula, palm oil free and Hema free. You've got your ingredients on the back. Madam Glam gel polishes cure in an LED lamp for 30 seconds, a UV lamp for 2 minutes, depending on the wattage of your lamp, obviously. So, like I normally do, guys, I shall get them swatched very quickly. And then I want to do something with them. I've not got a clue what I want to do. But I never really do know what I want to do until I've seen them swatched. I kind of need to see them swatched. Although they are swatched, like in the lids, I kind of need to see them on tips to know what I want to do. So, I have got all my swatch sticks labelled. I love these labels, you know. So first one is going to be Love at Frost Sight. Oh wow. These are cram-packed with glitter, guys. And not just any glitter, let me add. It looks like a super fine holographic glitter. They are a little bit thicker than solid colours. I suppose they have to be thicker so the glitter doesn't all fall to the bottom. Look at that. Wow, that is absolutely beautiful, isn't it? And I think these might be reflective, you know, because that is looking very reflective to me. Let me see what it's like without my flash on. Yes, it is a reflective. So that's without the flash, guys. Oh, it's so beautiful. And then this is with the flash on. Look at that. Even more sparkly. Beautiful. So that one is Love at Frost Sight. Next one is Rudolph. He's gonna have a red glittery nose. Wow, look at that. That's the red. Look at that. And because these particles are so fine, guys, they're gonna sit super flat on the nail. They're not gonna be all lumpy bumpy. Next one is Oh What Fun. Oh, that's a nice one as well. I like that. Look at that one. Oh, that is so beautiful. Cure that. Then lastly, we have got Say Freeze. Look at that one. I love that. Now, I'm not sure whether this one's my favourite or the purple. That's a really tough choice for me. Let me show you this one without the flash on as well, so you can see the colour a bit better. Yeah, look at that colour. Such a pretty colour, isn't it? Really like that. That's with the flash on. It's so beautiful. They're all really, really beautiful. So there we are, guys. That is them all swatched. I've given them a coat of the Madam Glam shiny top coat on the top half and the matte top coat on the bottom half. So you can see what they look like, matte and shiny. They're just as beautiful matte. I was thinking they was going to lose a lot of their sparkle, but they just kind of lose the hollow more than anything with the matte. But I quite like that. I mean, this one still looks a little bit hollow, doesn't it, in matte? But the others have kind of lost their hollow. I really, really like them. I've been dying to get some sparkly Madam Glam gels. I think, actually, apart from cat eyes, these are my first kind of sparkly ones. They're beautiful, aren't they? Absolutely stunning. And that glitter sits super flat as well. That's just after one coat of top coat. Can you see that light line? You can see how flat that's sat. So yeah, that's them all swatched. So now I'm going to do a little design using some of the colours. So I'm going to get set up and I shall pop back in once I'm all ready to go. Right guys, so I've pulled 4 tips out and I'm going to do a little short coffin set. So the pointer fingernail is going to have a full coat of Rudolph. Cure that for 30 seconds. The pinky nail is going to have a full coat of Say Freeze. Cure that for 30 seconds. The middle fingernail is going to have a full coat of Say Freeze. Cure that. So now that's the ring fingernail. I'm going to use Madam Glam's Laos rubber base coat. I'm just going to apply that just to the top third of this nail. Cure that for 30 seconds. Now I'm using Madam Glam's Perfect White. And we're just going to fill in this bottom section now. Now I'm going to pop a little bit of Rudolph on my palette. I'm using the Madam Glam striping brush. I'm going to paint some candy cane stripes.
Waste another day, eyes on my display. You say we need a change and I feel that you mean it. You mean it. But you're so right We're losing track of time, buying things online, and it's not like we need them.
Then pop that in the lamp to cure for 30 seconds. Right guys, these are now all ready for some top coat. I'm using the Madam Glam's No Wipe Shiny top coat on these. Then before I cure that, I'm just going to add a couple of crystals. Just like that. Then I'm going to cure that one in the lamp for 30 seconds. I'm not sure about that one yet, so I'm just going to cure that for now. Then on this one, I'm going to do a whole line of crystals going across here. And I just want to do 3 little crystals going round them. That middle one. Like that. Pop that in the lamp to cure. And then lastly on this pinky nail, I'm just going to do one there, one there. Now on this middle nail, I want to put this on there, I think. That's them all finished, guys. Do you like them? I think they're really, really cute. They're sparkly, they're Christmassy. I like them. And these are the swatches again. Oh, what fun. Say Freeze, Rudolph, and Love at First Sight. I'll pop a picture on the screen now, guys, of the other colours, what's in this collection. There's some really, really pretty colours there. And like I said earlier, these are reflective gels as well. So they're even sparklier under the flashlight. I've got a 30% off Madam Glam discount code, guys, which you'll see in the top right hand corner of the screen is GG30. Pop that in at checkout to save yourself a massive 30% off. I shall leave the link to Madam Glam's website in my description box, and I shall also pin it in my comments as well. Everything that I've used today, I shall also leave listed in my description box. If there's anything that I've missed, guys, just let me know in the comments. I just want to apologise for my voice again. I'm really, really struggling today. So I'm going to let you all get off. I don't want to keep you any longer. I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing if you're not already. And I hope to see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.